Fuck, you know, it took me half an hour to find egg bun for breakfast. And I've been greedy and I took 2 of them. And I'm very hungry this morning because 2 passengers with me, 2 strangers, and because we arrived here on Saturday, so they decide on a Saturday night to wake me up in the middle of the night. Then security woke me up because they wasn't happy with my lights on because I was sleeping with the heater on. Yeah, I'm just really hungry and hungry. And by the way, I am at Knockhill and this is BTCC. Let's go. Here we go. This is a stranger who woke me up in the morning, in the middle of the night. Okay, not middle of the night, but it was already getting.
About 9 o'clock.
It was getting dark. Fuck's sake! Why my camera stopped filming? I don't know where it stopped filming. Oh, here we go.
Is that your alarm?
Yes.
Okay.
And I couldn't.
Did you?
After you, I fell asleep, but after security, I didn't fall asleep.
Serious?
Yeah.
Did you move the car closer, or you stayed there?
All ready to go. Congratulations on delivery now. Kingston 5 car there, second on the grid. Not a good start for the Pulse into the well ordered Fox down off the line. He's late to get underway. He's going to be swarmed on the way into turn 1 here.
That's not working anymore, you know.
Good.
I'll be more cart raceway.
Sorry?
I'll be more cart raceway.
You,
In Inverness.
oh, we need.
And I'll be more. Remember you came up the cart race?
Yeah.
You put it on the flipping YouTube channel.
Oh yeah. I've been you're one of the mechanics, yeah?
Aye, I'm the mechanic. Aye, we're just down there. Kenny, the boss, took us up here today.
Have you seen the video actually?
Aye, it was great.
You seen it?
Aye, the Aviemore one.
Yeah.
Aye, I thought it was great.
Oh, thank you.
I thought it was really, really good.
Thank you. Who won in the race number 1?
Which one?
BTCC, race number 1.
Sutton.
Saturn?
In the Napa car.
How?
Was it rain?
He was 6th or 7th.
But sure, it rained after like the second lap and then had to come in for wet tires. I'm nearly Chris Sutton. Not Chris Sutton. Sutton.
Is that
Ford?
no Ingram?
I thought it was Sutton.
Okay, I need to find out.
I think it was.
I don't have internet up here. I have nothing here.
No, it's not, there isn't anything here.
Oh man. Right guys, I'll be honest with you. This day is not becoming better. Now it's a sunshine. Just when the BTCC race started, it was rainy. My camera was working. Suddenly at the end of the race, my camera decided to collapse. And of course, all footage wasn't saved. So, yeah, happy day. Really happy day. The other thing, because I've been running around and filming, and there is no internet at Knockhill. Quite surprising for me why I'm paying all these mobile bills and I don't have mobile network anywhere in this country. Yeah. So that means I even don't know who won because it was so complicated. So as far as I saw, Saturn finished somewhere at the P6, but maybe it was a back marker. I don't know. I'll be honest with you, I don't know. I need to find out. Again, rainy. I feel like I love Knockhill. Seriously. Ah, we're hiding from the wrong side. Okay. Maybe here? Oh, it looks like here is better. I have no clue where should I hide from this rain. Maybe I just need to put my hoodie. Okay guys, I have no idea who finished where. Let's continue. Or maybe one of the strangers know who won.
Hey, Anatoly, how are you, sir?
Good. You yourself?
Yeah, good. Did you watch the Toronto race?
Yeah. Interesting. Who finished where?
Yeah.
What? Yeah. Who finished where?
England, but they never won. The top three been apparently disqualified
Why?
because of ride height.
So who won?
I'm not. Whoever finished fourth, I think.
So who finished fourth?
I don't know.
Who knows any information?
But it was. Where was you watching?
All over the place.
Oh, you was running, yeah. Have you seen Matt, by the way?
No, my camera died. Right, guys, I have no idea who finished where because of amazing Knockhill setup with a mobile network, with information and everything. So honestly, no idea. The race was chaotic. There was a load of spins. There was a load of water, and just race started, and boom, the rain just. They've done like 2-3 laps, and the rain just like from the bucket. The whole track is wet. Loads of spins, loads of not loads of crashes. Surprisingly, no one crashed into anyone. I mean, there was side-by-side bumping and then pushing each other, but not like a massive crashes, you know. Yeah, someone left the track because of where. Yeah, it's happened. But guys, unfortunately, I can't find any information about BTCC race 1 at Knockhill. So yeah, let's carry on my I will call it grumpy day.
Straight to the
Ooh, that looks really cool. Rusty's bumper ointment. Okay guys, race number 2. Luckily my camera was okay, so I could save all footage. Also, I was a bit more clever this time. I used my mobile phone as well for filming, so just in case. Okay guys, as usual, these commentators are so loud in the paddock. Cool. Right guys, quickly about race number 2. What we had a P1 Jake Hill, P2 Saturn, and it was a very close battle and a very interesting battle. To be honest with you, I've been thinking that Saturn in one moment going to overtake Hill, but luckily for me, not for Napa Racing and not for Saturn, luckily for me, he stayed P2, so the championship on the points still stays very close between Sutton, Ingram and Hill. So this is what we like about racing. And sorry?
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. And Stephen Jelly finished P3, and all the rest positions I don't know them because I don't have internet up here, so I can check where and who finished, simply because I wasn't on the finish line, so I couldn't see who finished. Yeah guys, so a really interesting race between P1 and 2, and to be honest with you, I'm quite surprised that I'm quite surprised that Ford catching BMW at Knockhill, because Knockhill is literally designed for rear-wheel drives. I mean, it's suitable for rear-wheel drive because of that long straight, start-finish straight, which is go up the hill. This is where the front wheel will struggle with the grip, but Sutton Steel was very good at this circuit, and either Napa Racing is so good, so they made really the best setups for their Ford Focus, either BMW struggles somewhere. So I really want BMW to do better in this championship. Even I'm supporting Toyota, but I still want very close championship competition. Yeah guys, so BMW, come on, just do it. We need a very close championship at the last round at the Brands Hatch. We still have I think 3 more rounds to go, or 2 more rounds to go, or 3 more rounds, or 2, don't remember, I need to check it. I don't have internet and I'm completely lost. After 2-week holiday, I completely lost. Okay, you know what? Oh, Mini Coopers now. And after race 3.
Yeah, so it's JCW, it's a 2-litre turbo with a sequential drive gearbox. Really quick, it's a 275 horsepower. I've been in the car for a couple of years now and I'm slowly getting used to it. They're quite a bit of a handful. These cars, you can't build these, they're a mini challenge car, and the cages are built by Mini Challenge. The whole car is put together by Mini Challenge. We've got a little bit of damage at the moment, but we're on Goodyear slick tyres, 17 inch, 5 glass wide body kits, and it's a really quick little car.
What happened?
Unfortunately, Mr. Wolf, my drive shaft has.
You had such a good pace, mate.
Yeah, no, we was up there. I think we went from 13th to 10th.
Yeah.
Joe Tanner got in front of me, unfortunately, but he's very quick, and so it was good because I was following him. And then we went into turn 3, and I went to change from 3rd to 4th, coming out, and the drive shaft snapped.
Oh. How are you, Taylor?
I'm good.
You good?
How are you?
How are you doing?
Good. You're gonna help us pack up now, yeah?
No, I'm going to film BTCC.
Yeah, we're gonna watch too. But
Yeah, no problems. Cool.
Is life even worth living? And all that I see is grey. Should I keep on breathing or fall in a deep dark space? They say things get better, just hold your time and wait. But it feels like we're waiting forever. I'm ready to end this pain. Close my eyes and fade away. Fade away. That's the suffer.
Right, guys. The grumpy day. I wanted to say continues, but no, it comes to the end. Everyone leaving, all the truck stuff leaving, and I'm leaving as well. But let me quickly do the race free review. Saturn, who started P6, won. Really good job. It doesn't mean that I'm satisfied because I won a championship, be tied on the points, but hey, my dreams is my dreams, and the reality is reality. The winner is the winner. Yeah, so Saturn, really good drive. Hill started 7th and finished somewhere all the way. I would like to say mid of the pack, but I think even further than mid of the pack, to the back. Yeah, disappointing, but again, wet race, rear wheel drive. I'm not finding excuses, I'm just trying to be realistic. Rear wheel drive on the wet, yeah, it's a something what you need to like. It's like a ballet, you know, you need to be so perfect, and in this race there wasn't any possibility to be perfect because it was, sorry mate, it was just one big mess like in this paddock, and I think I'm gonna fall down very soon. Okay guys, who was at the P2? I think Josh Cook, and I think Ingram was next. Again, I think, because I don't know, I don't have internet up here. This is Knockhill, guys, so no internet up here. And don't ask me who finished where. The only what I know, Saturn P1. really good job. And I've been following Jay Hill, but again, I couldn't see where he finished because he was like really for him it was really bad race. Yeah, but from the other side, the weather like this, it was exciting race, really exciting. The only annoying thing was that the weather is like up and down. It was torrential rain before the race 3. If I have a footage, you will see the footage at the beginning of the race 3. That means you saw it already. Yeah, guys, and this is it. This was round. Wait a second. 19, 18. This was round 19, 20, and 21. Am I right? Yes, because we still have 9 rounds to go. So here we go. 19, 20, 21. This is rounds which we done here at Knockhill, and guys, it's time to go home. It's still 8-hour drive. I really want to finish this video because the day for me wasn't the best. Camera switch off, camera working, camera sunshine, rain. Yeah, again, I can't complain, but it's, I don't know, I've been expecting something different. Maybe because I came from holiday. You will see more videos about my holiday very soon. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. That doesn't matter if you hit the like button, if you will leave a comment, if you will share this with, doesn't matter, because I want to go home. So everything what I'm gonna say you, I'm definitely gonna see you in the next video. When, I don't know, because I still have an 8-hour drive, but as usually, see ya.